Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good, they're usually under the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, but before I do that I need to explain a few things. First, at the moment in London, even though it's 9 o'clock in the morning, it's about 30 degrees Celsius, so it's very hot, and that's why I left the doors and the windows open, because otherwise it'd be unbearable. And also I didn't put the lighting on because the lighting will create heat as well. So that's why if you hear something apologies, because it's not the usual setup. I know for some countries 30 degrees is nothing. I was born in a desert, so I'm from Iran, from south of Iran, which is super hot. We don't get in summer less than 45-50 degrees. So this is, by that standard, is not hot, but believe me, for London this is a scorcher. So that's why I have this just to basically wipe my the sweat. Anyway, so today I have an unboxing of first impression for you, and this is the brand Dossier. Brand Dossier, they make perfume inspired fragrances from big names, big hits in the industry, in the fragcom, and they've been around for a few years. They send me few perfumes to review, so this is what you see, what you hear in the video is all my opinion. They have no say in it. I make my videos the way I make them, so everything here is my honest opinion. So this one in particular is one of their newer releases. It's called Musky Rose, is EDP, is 50 ml and retails for £30. And let's see, the packaging is very simple as always. They have a very simple packaging, very simple presentation, because they want to give you the cheaper, the less expensive overall package, and that's why this is very simple. The cardboard is basically I think it's a recycled cardboard. It's got the details in the back. It says Dossier, and on top it tells you the name of the fragrance, and it says when it was made, which is this one is 2024, and it opens like this, and the bottle sits in here. Again, very simple presentation, nothing to brag about, but I always say this in my videos: if you give me the simplest packaging, the very basic, very simplistic packaging, but you give me the best juice, I'll be very happy. But if you give me the best of presentation and then you give me a bad juice, it'd be a waste of time, waste of effort, and waste of money. So far so good. Very simple packaging. The bottles all look the same as this, which is a 50 ml, and it's quite nifty. It's easily goes in your hand, and it goes in your pocket, goes in your bag and glove compartment and desk and things like that. So it's easily, you can take it with you places. Again, it says the information here is the sticker, and it says Musky Rose Perfume Dossier, and the back, and they got a little bit of sticker as well, and the caps are all magnetic, which is good because you don't lose the cap if you're traveling with it. So that's a positive as well. So let's see the atomizer. Usually the atomizers on these ones are quite good. Yeah, the atomizer is very good. It's almost pressurized, but it's very good. Alright, so how is the Musky Rose by Dossier? First sniff, first impression. Here we go. Wow. As the name suggests, Musky Rose, you're getting a rose, and it's very musky in the same time. It's very bright, it's very happy, it's very uplifting, it's quite sweet. But what a gorgeous fragrance. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. Sorry. So it's very rosy, and at the same time it's very bright, it's very happy, it's very fresh, it's very refreshing, it's very good for this time of year, which is summer. Leans a hint of femininity in here, not too much. This one I think is inspired by Narciso Rodriguez For Her. So Narciso Rodriguez For Her is a very popular perfume. They sell like a hot cake, and ladies love it. And this one is very similar to it. I would say 95% similarity. It's just so hard to distinguish this one with the Narciso Rodriguez For Her, because my wife has that one, she loves it. And this one I smelled it on her, you know, the Narciso Rodriguez one For Her, I smelled it on her many times, and this one is just like, wow, it's identical to it. Beautiful fragrance. So not only the rose, but I'm smelling some white florals in here, I'm smelling orange blossom, I'm smelling a little bit of neroli, I'm smelling osmanthus, which is giving it a little bit of fruity tinge as well. Not only citrusy tinge, but a little bit of green tinge, and also a little bit of citrusy tinge. It's got a little bit of citrusy opening, which is like a bergamot lemon combination, which uplifts it and it opens it, and it's very nice and uplifting and also captivating in the same time. So what a perfume, absolutely gorgeous. I wasn't expecting this. I was expecting similar, yeah, but I wasn't expecting to be this similar, especially in terms of quality. The quality of this perfume is almost as good as the Narciso Rodriguez, which is at least 3 times 4 times price of this one. So for the fraction of price, you're getting a very good smell, which is very similar, almost identical to Narciso Rodriguez For Her. So let's see what they say in terms of note breakdown. So this is according to Dossier. On top we have osmanthus, bergamot, orange blossom. Okay, so I smell all these things, correct. In the heart we have rose, peach, and jasmine. Yes, the jasmine in here, jasmine is there, orange blossom is there, as I said, white floral as well, dominant, but the rose is very apparent. And the peach in here giving a little of hint of fruitiness, which is very nice. It goes very well with the rose in here. And in the base we have musk, patchouli, and oakmoss. Oakmoss I don't get, to be honest with you, but musk I get in abundance. So abundant. So it's very big musk in here. So it's very musky. So you need to like your musky perfume to enjoy it. But the musk in here is very clean. It's very friendly. No funkiness. None of those. And the patchouli here gives a hint of depth and complexity in here, to give it a little bit of that earthy, little bit of green, little bit of leafy, little bit of camphorous feel to it as well. So if you like Narciso Rodriguez For Her, absolutely for the price, when my wife smelled this, she would definitely take away, because this is a gorgeous fragrance. Wow, what a quality. It's superbly good. You know, I unboxed and reviewed many of their fragrances before, and they are very good in terms of quality, but they up to their game, because this is much higher quality than the ones I unboxed and reviewed. Although the ones I unboxed and reviewed before, they were good, but this is better than those. So either they are getting a better quality ingredients, or they are mixing them better, they're getting a better perfumers in here. Something is going on which making this perfume so good. Very good quality, very well blended, very well put together, smells great, smells okay. For this price point, we expect majority of this ingredients to be synthetic, but they've done a good job of mixing it in a way that you don't feel the synthetics at all. I'm smelling almost natural things in here, which is crazy with this price point. I'm smelling a little bit of peony in here. Definitely there's a little bit of peony in here, so we're giving it a little bit of that soapy feel as well, which is a little bit underneath the rose. So the rose in here is very bright and happy and fresh rose, but in the same time the peony underneath it giving it a little bit of soapiness, a little bit of that brightness. And also the white florals give it are basically lifting the rose and letting the rose shine on top, but underneath it is a big, deep, dense white floral aspect to it, which is beautiful. So this fragrance is absolutely gorgeous. Definitely, I would say I'm going to wear it for the next 2 days, no problem whatsoever. But for majority of men, I think this is too much for them to become easy wear. So I would say unisex to my nose, but it leans feminine. And in terms of age, I would say at least 25 years and older to be on safe side. Although the perfume here very friendly, anybody can wear it, but because it's the feel of it, at least it got a little bit of that classical feel to it, which makes it a little bit on the mature side. So I would say 25 years and older. And in terms of season, definitely warmer weather fragrance. This is good for summer, for autumn, for spring. And in terms of occasion, this is one of those Swiss Army knife. You can dress up, dress it down, daytime, nighttime, special occasion, casual. You can dress it up or go to a special ceremony like wedding, or you can dress it down and go to work and gym and things like that. It's very, very versatile, but in the same time it's beautiful, it's gorgeous. I am very impressed with the Dossier to put something so naturally smelling, although as I said, we're not expecting it to be all natural, because obviously this price point, you know, is majority is going to be synthetic. But either they put a very good high quality synthetics in here, or as I said, they hired some professional perfumers to do their perfumes, and you can tell that it's got some construction behind it, some thought behind it, some knowledge behind the perfume. So for a first impression, yes, I give it 2 thumbs up. Absolutely gorgeous, beautiful fragrance. Especially my wife, when she smells this, she definitely would take it away, because the Narciso Rodriguez For Her, for a 90 ml, is it 90 ml bottle, is about £120 retail. I think retail £120. You can find it a little bit discounted here and there, Narciso Rodriguez, but they usually don't get that much discount because they're quite popular, especially among the ladies. They are very, very popular fragrances, so that's why you can hardly find them big discount. You can find them maybe 10-20% discount, but hardly you could find a better discount than that. So that's why this one makes it a very, very good alternative. Not only good alternative, very good. Basically, when you smell this, you're not going to use that one. You're going to sparingly using that one, because you don't want to use the expensive one first. So this one is much cheaper, is more reasonable, is more accessible, and is reasonably priced, and you can easily find it on their website. This one retails £30 for a 50 ml, and also they always have discount codes. Like at the moment, I think they have 20 to 25% discount code if you buy perfumes from them. So for the price you're paying, you're getting a very good quality. Smells great, smells very similar to Narciso Rodriguez For Her, the original one, because there are so many flankers, not to be mistaken with the flankers. So this is the original For Her, and as I said, my wife has it and she absolutely adores that one. So when she smells this, she definitely will be interested in to take this one away from me. So to conclude, what to expect: beautiful rose, very fresh, very refreshing, very happy, very bright. Overall, I've classified this fragrance as fresh to semi-fresh, and also I classified as floral musky fragrance. So this is a floral, fruity, musky fragrance, and the musk in here is very clean, but it's very big. So it's a big musk in here. You need to like your musky perfume to enjoy it. And the musk in here is very clean, super clean. Almost you can't recognize it, because it's so clean. It's like almost watery and giving it a little bit of soapy feel, which is beautiful. And It's got a little bit of depth and complexity, which is coming from the patchouli in here, but the patchouli is a clean variety of patchouli rather than a deep and dense patchouli. And also we got a big white floral aspect, which is orange blossom and jasmine in here to underneath the rose, and give the rose the depth and complexity of floral, and also a little bit of peach and osmanthus here on its own, giving it a little bit of fruitiness. So the peachiness and the fruitiness of it is quite apparent as well, and that makes it very, very good for almost any occasion. It is quite playful, it's quite uplifting, it's very, very happy, it's very bright. And basically this fragrance is one of those dumb reach, you just put it on and go, you don't need to think about it. And overall, for a first impression, yes, 2 thumbs up, absolutely gorgeous, highly recommend it. If you like Narciso Rodriguez For Her, you will love this for the price. So in the next video I'll let you know the longevity, development, things like that. But for now, for the first impression, yes. If you have it, if you know it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable, or entertaining, please give me a thumbs up and all these things. Thank you for your likes, thank you for your shares, thank you for your comments, thank you for your subscription. All these things will help me to stay longer in this endeavor, to survive, to keep going. I appreciate every one of you to do that. Thank you very much. If you are interested in purchasing one of my own perfumes and support me that way and get something very, very beautiful in return, you could do that. I leave them in the link. I'm the perfumer, I'm the artist, I'm the worker. So there are true handmade perfumes just for you lucky people in the United Kingdom. I put more than 60% pure perfume oils in my perfumes, which is unheard of. Imagine this one has got like 10% perfume oil. I got 60%, 6 times of this. So how big and bold and huge they are, and they are very artistic and unique. They are like time capsule, they take a different place at different time, and they are super beautiful, if I say myself. Also, there are other reviewers reviewed my perfumes. You can go check them out if you are interested. As always, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for your love and support, and I'll see you later. Bye.